Top 20 Pantry Organization Ideas. Tired of digging through cluttered shelves just to find a simple spice jar? Today, we'll explore 20 genius pantry organization ideas to turn your messy shelves into a perfectly organized, Pinterest-worthy pantry. 1. Matching glass jars. Using identical glass jars instantly makes your pantry look tidy and stylish. They're perfect for storing dry goods like rice, beans, and pasta. And bonus, they keep everything fresh. 2. Clear plastic containers. Want to see exactly what's inside? Transparent containers help you spot items quickly and track how much is left. No more forgotten cereal bags at the back of the shelf. 3. Pull-out baskets. Install pull-out wire or plastic baskets for easy access. They're perfect for storing onions, potatoes, or snack packs. 4. Categorize labels. Labeling is everything. Group items into categories like snacks, baking, and spices for effortless finding and restocking. 5. Lazy Susan turntables. Use rotating trays for bottles, oils, and sauces. They make even the tightest corners usable and accessible. 6. Stackable racks. Vertical space is your friend. Use stackable racks to double your shelf space and separate cans or jars. 7. Wall-mounted spice racks. Mount a spice rack on the pantry door or wall. It frees up shelf space and makes it easy to see all your seasonings. 8. Airtight containers. Airtight containers are essential for keeping flour, sugar, and grains fresh and keeping bugs away. 9. Drawer dividers. Organize your pantry drawers with dividers to separate utensils, napkins, or smaller items like tea bags and coffee pods. 10. Canned goods organizer. A tiered shelf where can rack keeps canned goods in order. No more digging through a pile to find that one can of tomatoes. 11. Undershelf baskets. Clip-on baskets under your shelves add bonus storage space for light items like chips or small snacks. 12. Rolling bins. Rolling bins are a great solution for heavy or bulky items. They're especially useful for pet food, cleaning supplies, or bottled water. 13. Snack jars. Use wide mouth jars for storing snacks like cookies, nuts, or granola bars. Not only practical, but beautiful too. Foil rolls or zip bags. 14. Back of the door racks. Maximize unused space with over-the-door organizers for spices. 15. Color coordination. Aesthetic matters. Choose containers, labels, and baskets in matching or complementary colors to create a cohesive look. 16. Expiry date labels. Add expiration labels to your jars and bins so you always know what needs to be used first. No more expired pasta. 17. Standalone organizers. These can be pulled out like drawers for easy access. Use freestanding caddies or bins to group similar items together. 18. Meal prep containers. Store prepped ingredients in labeled containers. It saves you time during the week and keeps your pantry purposeful.